Hello once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Underdesk Computer Keyboard Tray Self-Sliding Drawer Complete Kit, and this is the black version. You can get this in black or grey. Two different models, one with a mouse pad that slides out and the one without. This is the one without the mouse pad. Only costs $12.99 on not eBay, Amazon. And basically saves you buying an old desk. If you've made a desk yourself, or if you've got a desk and you don't really want to buy a new one because you want this to have a keyboard drawer in it, just buy one of these, which I have for a spare desk. So it's just plastic, that's all. This opens up if you want to put pens in it, pencils, whatever. And basically it comes with the whole entire kit, and it just mounts underneath. You probably can't see it. 6 screws, well, 6 screws, 4 per side. Yep, over that side. So there's 4 screws to put underneath per side, and yeah, it's not bad. So it's also got a to adjust out what your keyboard. So we've got our keyboard here. As I say, it's for the spare, so that just fits in. Just might have to play around with it a bit. There you go. No, hang on a minute. There you go. Just nicely fits in there and slides quite nicely. You know, it's only a cheap thing, but it does the job. Does the job pretty well. And you know, it saves you buying a new desk for £13, just under £13. You can't really go wrong. It does the job nicely. That's all the video is. It's just a quick one. Anyway, I'm going to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.